Once you follow a routine, it's very easy to feel stuck, especially after a while. When you first start going to a new job or to school or to university, whatever you are just starting out, you will feel really excited. You will be all hyped. You want to go and meet people. You want to see what your new job is like. You are really excited and you feel like this is a new opportunity for you. But fast forward 1 month later, 6 months later, 1 year later, it will all get boring and mundane because you have been doing the same thing over and over again. And if you are a person on self improvement, this will kill you from the inside. You will feel like your ambition is slowly dying out because you are integrating yourself in a system and there's no end to it, especially if you are working. Once you are working, you are going to sit 8 hours in front of a screen if you are working in an office, or no matter what you are doing, you are pulling up to a shift for 8 hours, and then afterwards you come back home, you want to relax, you feel drained. You are just like a mouse that is trapped inside a box. And if you're an ambitious person, this is such a terrible feeling. That's why I follow a 3-win rule in my day-to-day life. So every single day I wake up in the morning, I have these 3 rules that I need to follow. I need to acquire these 3 wins in order to feel fulfilled during my day, and in order to go back to sleep feeling that I have actually accomplished something for myself. So these 3 wins are: the first one, it's a physical win. By physical, it means that you are going to be pushing yourself to your limits while being active. You are no longer living this mundane lifestyle where you are just static. You are moving. You go to the gym, you get active, you feel like you are sweating, your heart is pumping in your chest, you can feel the blood flowing in your veins, and that gives me power. This makes me feel alive. It makes me feel really motivated in order to achieve the other wins that I have coming up in the video. But basically, you have to push yourself to your limits. You have to be able to move every single day. I need to move in order to get the blood flowing in my brain so I can come up with better ideas and live a much more fulfilled life. That's what I want at the end of the day. I want to feel alive. I want to feel like I am active in the world. I'm making a change. I'm not just going through the motions, sitting at work, sitting at home, and then going to sleep, because that's bad for your health. And once you start getting active, you will feel like your physique is changing. You are in shape. You are pushing yourself to what you are supposed to be looking like. If we go back 2000 years ago, if you go out in nature, you had to be strong. It's the survival of the fittest. So you have to be fit. You cannot afford to be weak. You have to be pushing yourself and seeing the strength that your body is capable of. Especially if you start lifting weights, you do calisthenics, you start exploring what power lies inside of you and using this power in various other areas of your life. And I'm not here saying that if you are in shape, then everything is fine, but this is the first step in order to change your life and take it into the direction that you want to take it in. The second win that I rack up is a mental win. If it's reading a book, learning something new, learning a new skill, a technique, maybe when I'm making videos, I feel like this is a creative outlet for me. It's doing something outside of the box, outside of what has been constructed for me by society. It just makes me feel so at peace with myself and so in harmony. I really feel productive whenever I learn how to speak better English, when I can talk freely, even though English is not my first language. But I do this because I am genuinely passionate about it, and I feel I have created this routine for myself where whenever I create a video and I post a video on YouTube, I really feel at my best. And I want you to find the exact same thing for you. This might be writing, this might be journaling, being able to explore your mind more, because the thoughts that you have in your mind are not going to appear out of nowhere. You have to take action in order to manifest them in reality. And you might have the greatest and the wildest ideas in your mind. It all comes through executing. You have to take yourself and put yourself in a situation where, all right now I want to be making my vision a reality. I wanted to create this video. I pop the camera up. I don't care about the lighting. Maybe it sucks. Maybe the video doesn't look optimal, but at least I'm trying something. And that's what matters at the end of the day. Once you start racking up these small wins day after day after day, you will feel like the quality of your life is improving gradually. And before you know it, you'll look back and you will see such a huge progress that you have made. You will not notice it because you had a tunnel vision towards what you are working to. The third win that you should aim on having is a spiritual win. A spiritual win can be religion. It could be being able to walk alone in nature. It's just winding down, taking your energy and your focus away for a moment, relaxing, taking your mind off of your phone, not scrolling endlessly on social media and deviating your attention away. You actually allow yourself to calm down, because once you are calm, the greatest and the brightest ideas are going to come to your mind. Then you can execute them when you work on the mental part of yourself. But being able to focus on your breath, walk in nature, embrace nature, be grateful for the smallest things, start noticing the smallest things in the world and being appreciative of everything that is around you, feeling yourself alive inside of your body. All of these small things are going to open your eyes towards the bigger picture, and it will make you operate on a different level. At least for me, I always need to take some time off just to close my eyes and to embrace everything that is around me, as this gives me power. This makes me feel like I am completely present here in the moment. When I'm recording this video, I am talking from the bottom of my heart. I'm no longer trying to come off as something that I'm not. This is something that I do on a day-to-day basis, and I wanted to share it with you because it will change your life. Trust me, you might not notice it from 1 week from now or 1 month from now, but if you stay consistent on it and you keep showing up for yourself, in 1 year, in 2 years, you will look back and you will see all of the progress that you have accumulated for yourself. And that's what self-improvement really is. It's about accumulating these 3 wins every single day: physical, mental, spiritual. You're on repeat, on repeat. You stay consistent on what you are doing. You don't stop. Maybe you can take a break every once in a while, but the vision is there. It's clear for you every single day. I have to go to the gym. I have to read. I have to journal. I have to create a video. I have to use my mind. Then I need to take myself out of the equation a bit. Just relax, wind down, be able to calm down. I do not deviate my attention. I do not consume short form content endlessly. If someone wants to talk to me, my phone is always on mute. If I want to check my notifications, I click on it deliberately because I want to. All of these things, being much more careful with how you spend your free time whenever you are not confined with what you are supposed to be doing from work or school or university, that's what is going to eventually change the quality of your life and take you to the next level. I really hope you enjoyed it, man, and you can start applying this video in your own life. And if you have any thoughts or anything you want to share with me, write it down in the comment section below. And it's been a pleasure, man, making this video. I really enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.